Hey, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. I wanted to give you a practice that I've been working with my students and clients with, and it's a letting go practice, particularly pertinent in this time of heading to the new year. And it is the practice of aparigraha, or letting go, detachment, depossessiveness. So I've paired it with a mudra, one that is often associated with the aparigraha, where the pinky side of the hands are touching. And then I've added this intention or awareness of imagining that you're holding something in your hand, or you can imagine it setting there, a word, an image, an emotion, something conjured up either towards somebody or towards something that you've been ruminating on that you just don't want to take with you today. You're ready to get rid of it. You're ready to continue harboring it. You're letting it go. And then I paired it with a breath practice. So the breath practice is an exhale that you sense feeling the air flowing across the palm to the fingers and off the fingertips and away. So it's 3 breaths of blowing that awareness of whatever you don't want to take with you away. And then at the end, we'll close down, bringing the hands towards the heart space to hold on to something near and dear that you'd like to take with you. So we're getting rid of what we don't want and bringing in what we do. All right, so we'll begin the practice. Hands coming together, and then bringing that awareness of that intention of something that you don't want to take with you. You're ready to get rid of it. And it's 3 breaths. So an inhale and an exhale whenever you're ready. Right, after that last exhale, bringing the palms together, closing one over the other over your heart space, and considering something that you now would like to take with you. Taking that moment. All right, that's the practice. You can take this with you as an intention to set at the beginning of every day. And again, particularly perhaps important as we're heading into this buzz of the holidays, and something to let go of as we head into the new year. All right, thanks so much. See you next time.